Day two.
Day two of the 𝐂𝐿𝐼 cider. Thing is looking really fun again. See my body surfing wave?
Nah.
Dude, you might have to ask Jeremy for that clip.
Oh, yeah?
I like rove in a barrel. Best body surfing wave of my life. Holy! That was the best wave I've caught down 𝐂𝐿𝐼 in a while.
That was sick.
It's kind of going. I wasn't expecting it to be that good. I just ran laps. Literally just did like 3 laps and I'm out of breath. It's gorgeous down here. Offshore winds. The conditions can't look any better. We got everything going for us. And there's sets every once in a while. Gotta be patient though. Okay, sorry. Whew. Back up. This wind makes the water really, really cold too. Leads to some upwelling. This is some of the chillier water I've been in, and I'm wearing a tutu. It's not a good call. There's literally like sand blowing across the beach right now. It's hard to drop your board. I had to monkey crawl a couple times. Austin had a couple good monkey crawls. It's definitely beneficial for the monkey crawl. My skimboard just blows away in the wind every time I try to drop it. It's chilly out here. My lips are chapped. It's cold. It's dry. Yeah, we're taking a breather.
Day two.
Day two of the 𝐂𝐿𝐼 cider. Thing is looking really fun again. We're just gonna do a little power hour. I think I'm probably only gonna skim for an hour, but we're gonna see how many good rides we can get and maximize our cider riding here. I think that's about all we got. There's a lot of people skimming today. Word spreads fast. The word gets out. Doesn't help when I kind of put a story on my Instagram last night and probably made it look pretty fun. So there's a couple people down here now. It's all right though. We like skimming with friends. It's fun. There's not enough skimmers to get mad about it. Need more of them. Kind of challenging again today. Every connection just wants to wedge you out to, I don't even know, it just wants to wedge you out of it.
There's some good ones that people got some nice wraps on it.
Oh, for sure. There's definitely the occasional good one. See my body surfing wave?
Nah.
Dude, you might have to ask Jeremy for that clip.
Oh, yeah?
I like rove in a barrel. Best body surfing wave of my life, for sure. I was tripping. Like, couldn't fit in it on my skimboard standing up, but then I just jumped off my skim. Perfect one. It was good. It was good. We'll see if Big Germ got it. Hopefully he did. This one, oh, you might want to film Zach. That one's looking pretty sick. Come on, Zach. Come on, Zach. Oh my. Oh. That's what I mean, man.
Dude, Zach got a good wipeout. It might even turn out to be the thumbnail. It's pretty good.
He's flying.
He got ragdolled pretty good.
Gosh, I saw a couple of really gnarly sand slaps right here too. Like,
oh yeah.
Drop the board, slap the face, or kick the board, hit the sand.
Yeah.
There's a couple. I think
it looks like a hard place to drop the board.
Oh, it's challenging. There's a lot of turbulence over there. There's a lot of turbulence at the connection right now.